Welcome to OCR Computer Science, and we are going to solve our paper 2, Computational Thinking and Algorithms and Programming, isn't it?
Yeah.
Great. So this is a sample question paper. The paper is of 1 hour 30 minutes. You cannot use calculator. You can use a black ink, answer all questions, and the total marks for this paper is 80. Yes. Now, Coffee uses his computer to record an audio for himself, playing his guitar. Outline what happened when the computer converts the music into a file. Oh, it means that once the computer is going to convert the music of the guitar into file, what happened? So, conversion.
Compression.
Yes, conversion of sound into the computer is called sampling. So you can use the computer converts the analog sound into digital by, come on, by using what? Sound sampling.
Using.
So analog data, do you know what is analog data? Which is in waveform, is converted into binary. Is converted into, come
Yeah.
on, man, tell me the answer. Binary. Let me tell you. The data is in this form. Look, this is called a wave. And this wave is called analog data. This wave is called what?
Analog.
Analog. So computer understand this? No. Computer converts analog into what? Into, come on,
Digital.
digital data. This conversion is called sampling, sound sampling. Is that okay?
Yeah.
You have to understand the concept and then you need to write down the answer, right? So don't want that you sit idle and you're not telling me the answer. I want your participation. Is that okay? Because I'm not going to solve it. You have to solve the paper. Part B. Read the part B, please.
Coffee increases the sample rate his computer is using to record his guitar. Into effects, this will have one.
Oh, so it means
Coffee's
that when you're going to increases the sample rate, what happened? This is very easy. If you're going to increase the sample rate, yes, the quality of the sound will improve, isn't it? Of the
Yeah.
sound will improve. Is that okay? And point number 2, if you're going to increase the sample rate, of course, it affects on the size of the file. So the size of the file will be affected or increase. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Increase. From next question, you have to open your notes. You are going to open the notes from the sound sampling topic. Search the answer and then tell me, right? Because this is not good. I'm solving the paper because I'm not going to give the exam on Monday. You are the person who is going to appear in the exams, right? Tell me, Coffee is emailing his recording to a recorded label. He uses lossy compression. Explain 2 reasons why using the lossy. Take out your book, read the topic lossy. Tell me the 2 points, quick. Lossy. You have an ebook, isn't it? Do you have an ebook?
Yeah.
Yeah, quickly open it.
Is lost the file isn't lost when compressed, and the
Very,
original file is still there.
very good. Great. Come on, try. So you need for 2 lines, right? 2 points. You can add further more points, man. Yeah, come on.
1 minute. Let me get it open there.
Very good. Write it down, quick. The basic thing is how to write the answer. It's very important. Here we go. Look, this is a topic I to teach you. Look, this is lossless. And this is lossy. You can see data is permanently removed to make the file smaller. Did you get it? Look, it's on the screen. I teach you the same thing. Look, the quality of the picture. Do you remember this lesson?
Yeah.
Great. And more important point, look, you need to write more points. It cannot be reversed, look, into its original position. This is the most important point. So you need to write these 2 points, quick, for 4 marks. Next question, read the next question.
Order the following units from smallest to bigger. So,
Quick, for 1 mark. Which is the smallest one?
bit.
Bit, very good.
Bit.
And
Nibble.
very
Byte.
good.
Megabyte.
Very,
Gigabyte. Petabyte.
very good. So you got 1 marks. That's great. Convert the Denry number 191 into 8-bit binary. Quickly do this. Quick. 191 into the binary. 8-bit. What do you mean by 8-bit? What do you have to?
It wants eight digits.
Yes. So what do you have to draw?
1, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Excellent. You have
1, 2,
to
4,
register.
8.
That is
Okay.
called register.
Hmm.
So I'm going to drawing it for you. You have to do it in your notebook. Quick. Don't waste time.
Okay.
1, 2. You have to do it before I finish. You have to do before I 1, 2, 4, 8. My 8 is not good. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. It's 120. Okay, so we get 1 here. 128 plus we need to do 64. What is the answer, man? Why are you taking so long? Oh, we cannot take 64.
Is it 101 11111?
Very good. That's the answer what I want. All the way 1. Okay, now convert the hexa 3e into a decimal. Denry 3e. Do it now, quick. 3e.
14 314.
314. C part. No, your answer is wrong. 3e. What do you mean by 3e? 3 means 3 and e means 14. Right? So you need to write apply power 1. And then you are going to, your value is hexa. So you are applying the power as a 16. So 3 into 16, tell me the answer. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 46, 48. So 48 plus 14 ones are 14. Yes, the answer is 62. So you have to understand that this is 3 and this is 14. So applying the power and a power of 16, like 1, 16. If you have any other number here, so 16, 16 is a 256 power, whatever the number is. Are you getting it or not?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Why
But,
did you?
but why 16?
Because you're converting the hexa into the denary. So you're applying the hexa power here. Hexa power, 16 power on every value. If you have another number after 256, then 4096 will be the power. Understand?
Yeah.
Great. Copy it down quick. I'm waiting.
You have done it.
Okay, let's move on. Part D. Read the part D.
There's subroutine X. Then between 10 and 15. Hex 10 will return A. Min X will return F.
So there is a subroutine hex. Hex is a subroutine. What is subroutine?
Subroutine is there's a condition.
Subroutine means a procedure or a function in which you're going to write a program, and if there is a repeating things, you're not going to repeat the things again and again. You're going to make a procedure or a function, and then you can call it and return it. So you're going to input the Denry number. What? Denry number. First, let me write down this. Procedure and function, okay? Now, you're going to input what? Tell me. Read the algorithm.
First, you're gonna.
No, you're going to input Denry number, a value Denry. And the range is between 10 till
255.
And you know, in a hexa, the 10 stands for A. Tell B. B stands for 11. C stands for
12.
D stands for
13.
E stands for
14.
and F stands for
50.
Very good. So what they're saying that between the numbers 10 and 15 and return the corresponding number. Like if you're going to input 11, what will be the answer? Tell me.
B.
Very good. This is a procedure. What? A procedure. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So it means you're going to input the data in Denry, but it returns the answer in hexa or string, because A, B, C, D, E, F, they're string. Is it okay? Now you need to write an algorithm. In that algorithm, you're going to use a subroutine hex. Convert any whole decimal number between 0 and 55 into a 2-digit hexa number. So you're going to convert the values which is input between 2 and 255, sorry, 0 and 255. And it converts the data into the hexa. So you need to write this algorithm, right? This is for 4 marks. So it's very easy. It's very easy. You are going to use, remember, you're going to use functions. What functions are there? Subroutines. Do you remember the functions we use for subroutines?
Procedure and
No, procedure and function. But we are talking about the specific 4 functions of subroutines. There are div, mod, yes,
div, mod,
and I'm telling you, there are 4. Div, mod, sqrt, and one more. I forget it. Let me search for you. Let me search in my another book. It's very easy because I need to search a lot in this book. I'm moving on for you. And yes, subroutines will be here. So this is a good recap that we are going to do the following things here. I need to move on. But did you see the 4 functions: mod, div, round, and random? So in this question, you're going to convert the value from hexa to Denry, right? Or Denry to hexa. So you are going to use a div function here because you're working on a whole number. Look, whole number. So if the number is whole, it is going to be divided completely. Is that okay? So remember, you have to use this library routine, okay? Write down the algorithm first, then I will help you. First, you need to write it down. Click. You need to input. Input what? What you are going to input?
First, you're going to input the denary number.
Yes, denary number. Then what you have to do? Converting
Then
denary into hexa. So you're going to use div. Div in hexa. Hexa means 16. So you're going to use decimal, input the value decimal, div 16. Then you need to use if condition. If condition. And then you need to print it. Do it. I told you the whole, I think. Just you need to implement it by your own mind. You have 5 minutes.
Okay.
So what you have to do first, you need to input, right?
Yeah.
Input. Input what?
Input
Put denary or decimal, whatever you want, okay? And then you're going to take value assigns denary, converting into what? Converting into hexa, right? div 16. Okay, so if value is greater than, sorry, yeah, is greater than or equal to 10, then value will be hexa. Is equals to hexa. And the value, right? Okay. Then you take the else
value
and input value. Input value again. Is it okay? Then tell me.
Then you do
Sorry. Print
denary.
and so this is how you're going to do. Okay. One more thing we miss. Digit 2. Digit 2. We have to take 2 digit. Okay, 2 digit. Okay, fine. 4 marks, right?
Yeah.
Next question. Do the binary addition part E and 1 and 2. You have to do it by your own. And the 3A as well. You have to do part E, this one, and this one. Quick. What is the answer for this one? It's very easy. Let's do together. Binary addition.
0.
0.
0. 0. 0.
We take 1 as a carry, then 0. Then we take 1 as a carry, then 0. Then we take 1 as a carry, then 0. Then we take 1 as a carry, then 0. Then we take 1 as a carry, then 1 plus 1 again. 0 and 1. So 4 answer, right? Okay, identify the problem. This addition, wow, what is the problem? Very easy.
Overflow.
Excellent answer. Why overflow? Tell me the logic.
Because there's more than 8 bits.
Excellent. It is more than 8 bits. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Compare a 2-place right shift on the binary. So you need to do it quickly with A and B and C. 3 parts you have to do. Wait, you have only 4 minutes for it. Tell me the answer for the bit.
1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0.
This is your question, right? And you said the answer, please repeat the answer again. I'm not able to hear you.
Fact is, the last 2 digits at the very right are taken off and put on the very left.
So 0, 0, you said 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, isn't it?
Hmm.
You're telling me path 1 or path A or path B?
No, those answers for part B.
You're
This one is
telling me the path B. Okay. The part B answer, okay. What about the part C?
uh,
False, true. What is the answer?
Well, true, true,
True. What about the second one?
true.
True. Very good. So you got 2 marks for this. And this one is like that. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is the answer for the first one. You're telling me this answer for part B as well. How?
But
They have
part B doesn't want me to like say what's
explained.
happening.
Okay, you need to explain a fact, right? You need to write down it in a sentences, okay?
Hmm.
Now, question number 4. Johnny is writing a program to create username. What?
Using
What is Johnny doing?
version create a program to create
The
usernames.
first process he has developed is shown in the flow chart. So start, input first name, input surname. Name is equals to left, first name, comma 3. So he's taking 3 names from the left hand, 3 name words, characters. And then he's going to do username, name, that is a 3 characters, plus left, surname, 2 characters. So taking the name, first name, like if your name is Ismail, and the surname, what is the surname?
Sorry.
Ismail Chaudhry. Okay, so I'm just writing Chaudry. Okay, so this is your first name, this is your surname. First name he taken left, 1, 2, and 3 characters. Is that okay? And then he's
Yeah.
taking name plus left and the surname 2 characters. Is that okay? Then output the username. So ISMCH. Okay, now state using the process in figure 1, the username for Rabika Alice. Do it. Quickly tell me. It's very easy.
Would it be
Yes. Tell me the answer.
Rab Ali Rab
You need to take 3 RAB, REB, and then you need to take 2 EL. Is that okay?
Yeah.
REBEL. So you got 1 marks for it. So I'm going to write down the answer. REBEL. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Part 2. Johnny has updated the process. The process used to create usernames as follows. If the person is male, then their username is last 3 letters of surname and first 2 letters of the first name. Oh, so they are going to replicate the whole process, but the thing is they are going to reverse it. From the username, they take last 3 letters, and from the surname, they take 2 first letters. Just opposite of the above question, this one. This is for what? Male or female?
For male.
Okay, tell me for female, quick.
Then the username is the first 3 letters of their first name and the 2 letters of their surname.
So the name is Frat Biscuit using the updated process. So please tell me, this is the logic, male. Tell me the answer for 1 mark, quick.
It's
You need to do it.
M Mauic.
Yes. So you're going to use, tell me again,
MA.
for male. They're asking for male. What you're doing? You need to take the surname.
Oh, FR.
Uh-huh.
UIT.
Yes. UIT first. UIT from the surname and FR from the first name. This is how you're going to do it. So this is answer, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Write an algorithm for the Johnny to output username using the updated process. So they told you the whole thing here. So you need to use the algorithm by input two things, surname and username input. Then you need to use if condition. Look, already they have used an if condition 2 times. So you need to write down this algorithm by your own, okay? And tell me the answer for 6 marks. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we have 3 minutes left in this lesson. I'm sending you the new link on the Rabia Chaudhary ID, okay? So you can take from
Okay.
there. Okay, do your work, start now. You need to understand the logic of the program. Like Johnny has updated the process to create a username. So the first thing that you have to do is creating the username. So username will be the first name and the surname. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So first you need to input the username. So I'm going to it's input first name, right?
Hmm.
Input surname. So you need to write down the names, first and surname. If, look, everything is in the question. If person is male, read the point number 1. If person is male. So if person is male, or you can use the gender is equals to male, or you can use person is equals to male. It's all right. Okay. Then what happened? Tell me the logic. Then username is the last 3 letters, isn't it?
Yeah.
And username is equals to last 3 letters. So last 3 letters means the right, right, right. Surname, comma 3. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
And first 2 letters of the first name and first 2 letters of the first name. So left bracket, this is surname, right? First name. Now first name, I take first name variable. Yes, first name. Tell me how many letters? Comma 2.
FR.
Is it okay?
Hmm.
Else. So it means the gender is female. So what do you have to do? Username. Tell me username.
The
Assigns
name is
left,
2 first letters. First name.
left.
Hmm.
First name, comma 3, isn't it? Plus
Hmm.
right, surname, comma 2. That's it. And if print, come on. Yes, print
And then print first
surname.
name and surname.
You can take first name, comma surname. That's it. Is it okay? So you got 6 marks for
Yeah.
that. This is very easy. I don't know why you are not able to do this. This is very easy. Write it down in your notebook. I'm waiting. Okay. Harry is playing to create a computer game using a high-level programming language. State why the computer needs to translate the code. Yes. What is the reason?
The the programmer may not be able to understand it.
Yes. So computer is going to understand the code of binary, right? It
Hmm.
computer is able to understand the machine code, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Harry can use either a compiler or interpreter to translate the code. Describe two differences between a compiler and interpreter. So let's start from compiler. Tell me the differences. Number one.
First difference is compiler. It
Yeah.
does the whole program at once, but interpreter does it like step by step.
So it translates the code in one go, isn't it? In one go. So this is for one, compiler. We are not discussing interpreter right now, just compiler. Tell me the point number two.
Point two is that
Compiler, it presents
in binary.
all errors in the, come on, in the end of the program, right? So if you're comparing with them, so we need to take now interpreter. Interpreter, tell me the first point according to the first compiler point. So it translates, come on. It translates, yes, one line at a time. One line at a time. We need to compare, look, we need to take the comparison between the compiler, the first point, isn't it? One line at a time. Okay, and number two, it presents errors after compilation of every line, after translating every line. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Every line. You can add more points according to you. It's not necessary that you are going to write down my points, because this is a general thing, right? So you can use your points. If you write on your own points, that would be great. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Question number 6. Explain why Hat is using an array. Yes, to store the data. Tell me quick. Why array is useful? What is array? Array is a data structure. So why arrays is healthy or helpful to store the data? Because
It can like order and
array,
maintain
very
stuff.
good, very good. Array organize. You can use organize data in a structure form. Very good. Point number 2. Array, come on, help the user to reduce the repetition. Isn't it? Repetition of data cannot be done in arrays. So it is always a unique data. Is it okay?
Yeah.
2 marks. Now you have to do part B1, 2, and C1, 2 for 4 marks. Is that okay? Part B,
Yeah, that's
1 and 2, part C, 1 and 2. You have 8 minutes. Okay, identify a data type that could be used to store the number of minutes in the array. Very easy. Yes. What is the data type you use? Look, 60, 30, 45. What is that data type?
integer.
Integer. Very good. State why this data type is the most appropriate.
More reliable.
No, you cannot say more reliable. Every data is more reliable. You can see in integer, there is no decimal points. There is no float. So there is no decimal points, right? All numbers are whole numbers. All values are whole number. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Do you get the logic or not?
You'll get the logic.
Great. Okay. It wants to output the number of minutes. Student 3 played computer game on Wednesday, day 2. He writes the code. Okay, so there is a student is going to use a number of minutes. Student 3 play the computer game on Wednesday, day 2. So print hours of played. Student 3 and the day is 2. So the output is 20. Let's see. Student 3 and no. Student 3 is right here. And days of the week 2. So this is answer. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now listen. The output is 20. Write the code to the output. The number of minutes is student 0. What is the student? 0. Played computer games on Wednesday. So student 0. Right? Play computer games on Wednesday. Wednesday. So this is Wednesday. Wednesday day 2. Wednesday day 2. Wednesday day 2. So what is the answer? Tell me the answer. Wednesday day 2.
If student played,
Just a second. Just a second.
if student played day 2
Day
equals 200.
So you need to write down the code. Write down the code. We don't need the answer. We need to write down the code. Print. Yes, tell me the value. Print. Hours. Played. Okay. Tell me the values. 0, student, comma,
0.
2. That's it. Okay. State the output if Heath runs the code. Yes. Now they're asking for the output. So 2, comma 1. 2, comma 1. 2 means student 2 played 1. Played 1. Student 2 played 1. Answer will be student 2 played 1. Student 2 played 1. Played 1. Answer will be played 1. Look, what is the answer? Tell me.
Played 1.
Yes. What is the answer?
0.
0.
0.
So 0 will be the answer. Okay, now you have to tell me this answer and this answer. Take your time. I'm waiting.
5 and 3.
Print hours played 3, comma 1 plus hours played 3, comma 2.
5 and 3.
5 and 3. Okay, what about the fourth? Write an algorithm to output the total number of minutes. So you need to print the total number of minutes. Student 0 played computer games from Monday day 0 to Friday day 4. Yes. So Monday, listen, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You're moving one by one. So what is that thing called? Loop. So we have to apply a loop here. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So did you try? And you said 5-3. I don't think so. 5-3 is the correct answer. Print hours played 3, comma 1. So first I need to confirm 3, comma 1. 3, comma 1 is 60. Then 3, comma 1 is 60 plus hours played 3, comma 2. 3, comma 2. 3, comma 2, 20. 60 plus 20. 80 is the answer. How did you say 53? This is the answer. Is it okay? Look, 60 plus 20. You need to add these two numbers. I think you did not understand this. Hello?
Yeah.
3, 1. 3, 1 means a 3 column and the 1 row. So 1 row, 3, 1. So this is 60 and 20 makes 80. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, now we are going to use algorithm to find out the total. So we assign totals is equals to 0. Okay. Output the total number of minutes. Student 0 played computer game. Student 0 played computer game. Input student for hours is equals to, yes. No, days. We can take days, not hours. Days is equals to 0 to 4, right? I told you we apply
Yeah.
up. So you need to use total assigns total plus hours, right? Hours, right? Next, days. And then print total. That is for 3 months, right? Less than a minute is left. So you need to complete this whole paper, remaining parts, and you need to send me the scanned paper. I want the scanned paper. Is it okay?